guys, in today's video it's gonna be different again. I'm going to be reviewing a car in CDU. Now, this time, this is my first car review video. So yeah, so here's the Lamborghini Revuelto. I just realized this cat was here. Hi, cat. Okay, let's get to reviewing the car. Hold on, let me make it load. Okay, so here is the Lamborghini Revuelto. Now, it can open most of the doors, and I don't know if I can call it the car that can open all of the doors, since I don't know if this right here counts as a door. On other cars it did, but on this one, like, I don't know. Okay, so basically this car is pretty cool. And I forgot how much the top speed can reach. I'm gonna try and reach it. Okay, I know a route of how to test this car speed. So, also fun fact: the Bugatti Veyron was developed in South Africa, I think. There's a road there, like a real long road, which you can test like the cars. Okay, now let's test the speed. Okay, currently it said 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Oh, okay, this looks really cool. 280, okay. 290, 300. Okay, 310 now. Okay, this is really fast, and it's also on 8th gear. Oh, no. Oh, shoot. Okay, that's bad. So I'm estimating this car's speed should be like 370 kilometers per hour. I'm not sure how fast this is since I crashed, and I don't want to try again because that will be more infuriating. But there's one thing about this car that makes me dislike it. It looks blocky. I don't know how to say this, but it has a look somewhere. I think it's looking smaller. Let me compare other cars to it. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with the Revuelto. It's kind of blocky. Hold up. Now, it is a nice looking car, and it's good looking because it's modeled different than other games with licenses. Because in this game, the licensed cars, yes, obviously licensed cars should look real. Even they got the interior right. I don't know if the driver has. I don't know if the developer has been in the licensed cars, but this thing looks sick. Also, by the way, it is color changeable. The reason why I'm saying this is because cars hold up. Cars like the Bugatti Chiron SS and the Dragster and many other cars, yeah, they just don't change their color for some reason. Also, I'm gonna test out how this thing can drift. Okay, drifts well. Okay, I just messed up there. Now let me just see the reverse top speed of it. Oh no. Okay. Okay, I can't really test the reverse top speed, but I think I estimated it to be 80 kilometers because it doesn't stay straight. Okay, so I think it goes more than 80. Okay, now let's just test the track run for it. I'm gonna teleport there. I am here. So, okay. Now I'm gonna test how this thing does in the race. I'm gonna see if this is good or bad. But like in this game, the best car I only got for racing is a car that you wouldn't expect would be good for racing. It's called the Dodge Viper ACR. Okay. Now for the best moment you've been waiting for, the race test. Okay. My brother taught me a technique on car games. And how to get real good handling. You just need to stay on these corners and stuff. Because you get launched off to another corner if you do so. And then you turn right here. Okay, I can feel this car. Okay. This car has really good handling. Okay. Well, currently right now in my room, I'm seeing a cockroach heading 30 meters to the mat that I'm sitting on. Oh my god. Okay. I need to kill this thing. Hold up. Where's my shoe? I'm gonna try to do this. No. It's getting close. Oh, shoot. I killed it. Okay. Okay, and now we are done with zeros. And that is it for today's car review of the Lamborghini Revuelto. I hope you liked it, and yeah. So, bye. And my name is back to 8 years, which is good.